Hi guys, welcome to Nami's channel. Today we are going to make this cute little thing together, so let's start it. First, we need to do a magic ring just like this, and then for our first round, we need to do 5 single crochet. Put our hook into this hole, yarn over, and yarn over once again to do 1 chain, and then we need to put our hook into the hole, yarn over, and yarn over go through the 2 loops on our hooks. This is our very first single crochet. We can put a mark in here in the very first single crochet place, so we will know where to do the slip stitch for this round. And then we need to do 4 more single crochet, put our hook in the whole yarn over here, go through the 2 loops at once. After the 5 single crochet, we just pull this end to close this circle, and then back to our mark place. We need to do a slip stitch. Just take out our mark and then put our hook in the mark place here, and then yarn over. In here we pull our hook directly, just like this, and we do 1 chain here. For the next round, we need to do 5 single crochet increase, which means in the same stitch we need to do 2 single crochet. We can put this end on top of our hook to carry it. And in here also, the very first single crochet, we can put a mark, and in this stitch we need to do 1 more single crochet. Put our hook in, and then we just repeat doing it. 1 stitch, 2 single crochet. Now I finished my last single crochet for this round. We need to do a slip stitch to finish this round. Take out our mark and then put our hook in the mark place, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. And for the next round, the pattern is 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase. We do 1 chain here, and in the slip stitch place, this very small one, we put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over, go through the 2 loops. And this is our very first single crochet. Remember to put a mark in. And in the second stitch, we need to do a single crochet increase. In this stitch, we do 2 single crochet. And then the next one is 1 single crochet, then is 2 single crochet in the same stitch. We just repeat doing it. I just finished my very last single crochet, and then we need to do a slip stitch in the mark place to finish this round. Yarn over here and then pull our hook directly. Now we need to do 1 chain first, and in the slip stitch place here, we do 1 single crochet. We can put a mark, and then in the same stitch, here, we do 1 half double crochet. We yarn over here and then put our hook in, yarn over here, and then we should have 3 loops on our hook. We yarn over, go through the 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. Now in the same stitch here, we need to do a double crochet. we yarn over and then put our hook in the same place, yarn over here. We should have 3 loops, and yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over 2 loops. Now we still need to do a half double crochet in the same stitch. We yarn over and then put our hook in, yarn over, and yarn over, go through the 3 loops at once. Then we need to do 1 last single crochet in the same place. We put our hook in, and then yarn over, go through the 2 loops at once. Now we have the 1 corner, and then we need to do 2 slip stitch. So for the next stitch in here, we need to do a slip stitch. We put our hook in, and yarn over, go through this loop directly. Also for the third stitch is the same. We do a slip stitch, and then for next stitch, we just repeat this part: 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and then 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet here, yarn over, put our hook in, and yarn over, go through 3 loops at once. Half double crochet, then it's a double crochet, yarn over here, go through first 2 loops, then yarn over 2 loops, then a half double crochet, yarn over, put our hook in, and then go through 3 loops at once. Then it's a single crochet, put our hook in, yarn over, and then go through the 2 loops at once. Now we need to do a 2 slip stitch for our next 2 stitches. Put our hook in, and then pull our hook directly. We just repeat this. Now I've finished the last single crochet. I have 2 stitches left. We do 2 slip stitch, put our hook in, and then pull our hook directly. Then we need to do a slip stitch in the mark place to finish this round. Put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain here, and then we can snip it off. And now we are doing the center part. We grab another color and then put our hook from the front face in the center here and press this yellow yarn over, and then pull our hook. We have something like this, and then we pull our hook just a little bit upper place here, pull our hook in, yarn over, and do a slip stitch here, and then we just follow the circle. So when we almost close this circle, this round, we go upper. Here we go upper, like in here, and then continue follow the circle. So after finish the very last slip stitch, we just leave a long end like this, and then snip it off. In here we need to put our hook from the back in this stitch, this one, we just put our hook from back and then grab this end to the back, and then we just use a needle to weave those in, and then we will finish. So now we finish. This is all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next time. Bye.